Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how you can book the demo session in the Clapingo application. So if you have already installed the application from the Play Store, from the App Store, so you just have to open the application and register yourself by giving your mobile number and the email ID and the required details. After that, on the dashboard you can see conversational English. So you have to click on that, and then you have to again select the same thing. Then after you will get the option of payment. So you have to click on the proceed to pay. After that you have to click on the checkout button by selecting the method of payment. Thereafter, if you haven't entered the email ID at the time of registration, so you have to enter the email right away. Then you have to update the email. Then after you have to pay amount by any method which is convenience for you, and then you will be redirected on the dashboard. After successfully payment, you can move on the dashboard by manually also, and then you will be able to book as a demo. So you just have to click on the book a demo button. Then after you will see the interface. You will see many faculty on the screen, but you are not able to book any session. So you just have to do one thing. You just have to click on the date section, as you can see on the screen. So you have to choose the demo session date. Then after you have to choose the time as well by your end. After selecting the date and the time, you will be able to see there is having the availability of the faculty. So you can filter the by date and the by time the faculty with whom you want to do the conversation. So after choosing, you have to click on the book the session. After deciding with whom you have to do the conversation, you just have to click on the book the demo session, and then you have to slide right. After that your session will be booked, and you will be able to see in the session tab as well, and also you will get all the details of the session on your WhatsApp from the Clapingo. And after some times of booking the session, you will get materials as well, like you can see the topic. So there will be have vocabulary and the topics and the questions on which you have to be prepared for the conversation. So if you find this video helpful for you, kindly like and the comment in the video. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get our latest videos notification. Also I am starting the Clapingo, so you will be able to receive my conversation on the same channel. If you wish to see my conversation, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.